Hello, nice to meet you again. There are many famous attractions in our native town Astrakhan. But I was born in a village Ola in the Volga River Delta. Welcome to our unique place, the Astrakhan National Reserve. The Astrakhan Reserve was founded in 1919 by Vladimir Klebnikov, a famous Russian botanist and ornithologist. By the way, it is a postcard lotuses of a famous artist Mark Stepanovich Rudkin, 1969. The Astrakhan National Reserve occupies 3 islands in the west Damchik, in the center Trigizminka, in the east Obzhorovo. It is a wonderful place because here you can see many flowers and trees, birds and animals in nature. There are 256 kinds of birds such as pelicans, cormorants, herons and pheasants. In Delta you can catch different fishes, sturgeons, herrings, rabbits, breams, pikes, perches and so on. As for animals, you can see wolves, wild pigs, foxes in the territory. A fantastic flower grows in Astrakhan Reserve. It is lotus. People name it Caspian rose. We can see big plantation of flowers from the middle of July till September. In 2016, of the Damchik side of the Astrakhan Reserve was opened the Eco Trail Fine Delta. The whole trail is equipped with wooden flooring, which is not only convenient for movement at any time of the year, but also helps to preserve the soil cover from trampling and prevents enthusiastic excursions from leaving the trail. Each year, tourists from all over Russia visit the Astrakhan National Reserve to experience its unique wild beauty. My name is Ilyushin Ilya. Bye bye. See you.